Everybody, welcome to my channel. So today's video is for fire signs guidance for the month of January 2022. So I'm going to pick out three cards for you and we're going to begin our reading. It's for Leo, Sagittarius and Aries, okay? Before I begin my reading, I really want you guys to let me know in the comment section, does it resonate or not? Like, share, subscribe to my channel. And please comment below if you have any other ideas for the video. It's a very general reading, so it will not resonate with everybody. It might resonate, so just take it as it resonates and leave the rest behind. We're gonna pull out three cards for you guys and see what is in the store for January. Okay, so universe, what is in there for fire signs? Okay. Okay. You guys might be in the okay. For some of you fire signs, I literally pick up the energy that you might be enjoying, basically, because I literally am getting a feeling that you're singing, you're dancing, you're flittering, okay, you are having fun. So it's great. What is in for fire signs? Okay, so I see that you guys are actually, see, as I said, for some of you fire signs, you are actually going to be, enjoying your so as I was saying, for most of you fire signs, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, you are going to be enjoying in the month of January. So you guys are going to actually being, you're enriching your inner child. You're going to do things that keeps your inner child happy, your child inside you. Okay, maybe you're going to spend some time with children at your home or in your neighbors or people who are having children nearby or families. Okay, you're going to be doing things that keeps you in a mood of partying, having fun, having a childlike attitude is the theme for you guys, inner child. So basically you are actually going to be having fun. Okay, you are, maybe for some of you, going to the beaches is something that you like, okay, that gives you a lot of happiness. Go for it. For some of you it may be surfing, boating, go for it. Okay, I see water signs, you are very much focused on making your dreams come true. You are in the month of January in an area where you're going to put out all of your efforts in order to achieve that you want to achieve. You're already creating a success in so you're actually in an energy of working towards your ideas and aspirations, something that gives you inspiration in order to create an amazing life for yourself and people around you is something that you're going to be focusing on in the month of January. Okay, you guys are actually going to be balanced is what I see. Or if you've been imbalanced recently in the recent past, then I see that you guys are going to be in balanced energy. Okay, in a give and take energy. So you are going to be mindful about where you're putting in your energy, why are you putting your energy in that direction, okay, and is it serving you or not serving you. You are going to make right decisions, okay, because I see, if you see this man, okay, who is, see, he has like six of pentacles, 1 2 3, 3 and 3. Okay, there are two people who are coming towards him that, you know what, please lend us something. So for some of you, people are going to come towards you in the month of January to, get some knowledge, ask you for making choices. You know what do you think, darling, is, you know what do you think, should I go for this option or that option? So people are going to come up to you to get advice from you, because you know why, people are seeing that you are succeeding. Okay, you are working towards goals that you want to work towards. Okay, so might be few people are coming towards you and you are going to decide, okay, where I want to invest my energy into, where I want to speak, where I don't want to speak, what is something that I would like to invest in. um, you're going to be even able to say no if you're not having that strength. I don't think most of the fire signs do have the strength, but if you don't have the strength you will be able to say no. You, for the month of January guys, there is going to be a good amount of balance that's setting in your energy. So a lot of harmony, a lot of peace. um, in fact, you're going to be if some of you are waiting for an offer to come in, or maybe you're waiting for something, because I see a little bit of waiting energy, and I see that you're being defensive about it as well. So basically internally you're waiting for something, but externally you're showing out to the world, you know what, no, I'm not waiting for it. You know what, no man, why should I wait? How can I wait for these things? But internally of course you are. So I'm just going to pick out one card, is that whatever you guys are waiting for, okay, for that strong foundation, is it coming? For some of you, you might be traveling, okay, you might be going to places. For some of you, a good news is on the way. Fire signs, I also see that a lot of people are actually going to come out of, oh wow, fire signs. So this video is not only for Leo, Sagittarius, Aries who have Sun. Okay, it is for all of the people who are having their main planets like Mercury, Venus, Jupiter in their fire signs. If they are having rising moon, ascending, north node, it's for all of those people as well. So I say that you have been in an energy closed off, or if you're spiritual people, you have been doing shadow work for a long period of time, so you're coming out of that defensive energy. For most of you, when you're seeing this video, you're already in that present moment, almost out of that energy, and you're breaking through in your career, in your job, in your work. Okay, you're being a little defensive about things, that should I do this, should I not, should I do this, or should I not do this, will it work for me or not? So universe is like, just trust, trust will lead you to a great place at the end. For some of you, you might be spending time with your pets, your animals, your fishes, anything. Okay, you might be liking, if you like flowers, lotus, if you're a believer of Krishna, then universe is saying, please don't let any of your thought process come in your way, because you are going to achieve what you want to achieve. It's on its way, it's already on its way. I asked for the clarifier, what you're waiting for will you get. For some of you, it is a wish fulfillment. Okay, for some of you it can be authority, being in certain position on your job, achieving some going to a managerial post, maybe going to HR post in your company, in your office. For some of you, I see you're gonna get your power back. Okay, so you're gonna get into your own control, your mind is going to be in your control, and that is going to stimulate a great amount of growth towards your pentacles, your money. Okay, if you have been waiting to receive money, then you're going to receive your money as well. Your wish is going to come true. Okay, and it will require you to take action towards it. Okay, which you will. Okay, so it's just a confirmation for you that what you've been waiting for, that success, your ideas, your creative ideas to fruit, it will. It might not fruit right now, it will take some time, it will take some months, maybe 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, but it will come at the right time. Okay, if you're waiting for wish fulfillment, maybe you're waiting for some masculine energy, the emperor to come in your life. So if you have if you have a spiritual connection with somebody, then of course it's saying that you need to still work on your purpose, on your soul mission. You need to keep on being in the energy of childlike energy, not to in your head, not to in your heart, balanced and enjoying life, taking risk towards something that keeps you going. A lot of you might be even receiving your money from area where you were waiting for it to. You will get your money back. You're going to get some messages, communication, as well as on its way for you guys. I see a very beautiful energy. In fact, if I saw earth sign energy, it was so heavy, but when I see fire signs, I see a very beautiful smooth energy for you guys. So the month of January for you guys is gonna be very smooth. Okay, the crystal amethyst will really help you in order to get aligned with yourself, because I see you are on a journey where you're going to be receiving in the month of 2022 your dreams. Okay, you're going to be balanced, you're going to be financially amazing. Okay, I don't see much of a issue for the month of January for you guys, because I see there is no blockages as well, because this month is all about just taking action, working hard enough to achieve your dreams and aspirations. And in that place, do not get too much into your head, or do not become too much logical and practical. In that place, just keep your childlike energy alive, because that's going to boost your that's going to give you strength and energy in order to take steps towards what you want to take. I in fact see maybe watching movies will help you, maybe watching sci-fi movies will help you, or you're watching sci-fi movies, science fiction. Okay, it can help you. um, yeah, and what will help you the most, fire signs, is having a very clear thought process, because I see success, I see your dreams coming true, I see travel coming in, I see things coming to you. uh, okay, I heard people coming back to you. People are coming. So things are coming to you. In order for some of you, people are coming to you, to take an advice for you, because you're saying that how much you've grown, how much you've accomplished. So it is going to be a very beautiful month for you, fire signs. So the advice for you here is basically that you need to keep on doing the work, have the childlike energy, uh, and just be very clear on point on what you want. I'm going to still pull out an advice card for fire signs for the month of January. Oh, I'm not going to take so many cards. I'm going to just pick one card, okay? So for the month of January, what is the advice for fire signs? Okay. Slow and steady wins the race. One step at a time. So you guys have an eye on something, okay? It can be a person, it can be a career, it can be an opportunity, it can be job, it can be your side business, it can be your sole purpose, it can be as simple as you have an eye that you want to have this dress in your life, you want to have this cloth, you want to have this type of watch, you want to have this type of job, you want to live in this type of house. You have an eye on something, okay, that involves money. So advice for you in the month of January and in this situation is that work towards it, because it's gonna give you what you want. Yes, it might be slow, it might take 7 to 8 months, as I said, okay, but there is out there success for you guys. You need to just keep an eye on it, and every single day, one by one, work towards it, and you will get it, because your dedication is going to give you your pentacles, your money. Okay, the signs that I see for you guys is Scorpio, Sagittarius, Aries, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. For some of you, you're dating an Aquarius is what I'm getting. I don't know if it's true, but the energy is what it is. Work towards your stability, work towards your strong foundation, because strong foundation will help you to build what you want to build, is what I'm getting. Okay, do not get into too much emotions, flow, and always have a balance in your life. Have a mind body balance, have a practicality and spirituality balance that will keep you grounded, because we're still living on earth. We are not in astral planes where we can only work with heart. So that's it. I have a very beautiful thing. So I have a secret book right here, and I'm going to pull out one page for you in a guidance for fire signs. Okay, so let's go for it. So the advice for fire signs is that you need to learn and understand that we're all one. Okay, in the month of January. So maybe in December you are Sagittarius. This is a month for you guys, but maybe you have learned a very amazing karmic lesson in your life, that competition or comparison is not your buddy. It's not your friend. It's not going to help you to take you on the long way. You actually learned a lesson in the month of December, and it's going to fruit in the month of January, that we're all connected. We just don't see it. That isn't out there. Okay, it's in your heart where you see that we're all connected. Everything in the universe is connected, and it's just one energy field where we all vibrate by choosing different experiences, different choices, different way of living, different thought processes. So we as humans have the ability to make right choices. Okay, and there is no right and wrong choices. At the end, the choices that you make should work for you and your family members and close loved ones. That's the way it works at the end. So you will understand why your negative thoughts about someone else will return to your harm only. You need to understand that we're all one. You cannot be harmed unless you call harm into your existence by emitting those negative thoughts and feelings. You have been given free will to choose, but when you think negative thoughts and negative feelings about somebody else or about yourself, you are separating yourself from the one, from the creator, and all the good that you can create in your life, because you are creating separation consciousness and you're not creating unity consciousness. Think about every negative emotion that is, and you will discover that every one of them is based upon fear, not feeling secure. They come from the thoughts of separation and from seeing yourself separate from other people. Okay, so competition is basically, as I said in the beginning, example of separation. Okay, and it is coming from a lack mentality, because you are saying that there is only a limited supply. This person is only limited. He can't be more intelligent than is, or you can't be more intelligent than this. No. So actually this guidance, when will it help you? When you are actually on the verge of achieving your success, your ideas coming to fruition, that time universe is just giving you a very beautiful advice, that do not let the comparison, pride, proud, competition come in your mind, because that's not the truth. We're all one. We get this energy to do the work from the creator, and we do this for the creator. It is just happening through us. And also why through us? Because we are a part of a creator. So what we create at the end is only happiness, peace, love, justice. And this is one of the lessons, okay, that you have learned. So universe is a universal supply. It's infinite. So a very important thing, if you want to screenshot it, it will help you as well, that it says that it is not people who are giving you the things you desire. If you hold that false belief, you will experience lack, because you are looking at that outside world and people are the supply. The true supply is invisible field, which is God, which is universe, which is angels, which is ancestors, guides, everyone. Whether you call the universe the supreme mind, the God, the infinite intelligence, or whatever else, whatever you receive, anything you receive, remember that you created it, you attracted it. So you are responsible for your reality. Okay, at the end, so you create what you want. So take that responsibility, and you can create it. Okay, in the cards, in the energy that I see, it's a high chance that you will achieve your dreams. But for that, there are some changes that you need to make in your mindset, and do not let your pride come in your way, something that I'm getting for you guys. Okay, so that's it for the reading for the month of January for fire signs. Have an amazing day. Thank you so much. See you soon. Until then, bye bye.